Hey everyone, if you are a technician in the field, frequently having to run things down inside these keyholes, one of the problems you run into is that what you want to put in there is too fat, which means you have to go down to the bottom and push the skinny end up to the top. The problem with this is it's difficult and usually ends up making you look like a fool. So here's a real simple thing you can do with stuff you already have or should have in your tool bag. All you need is a patch cord and a piece of Velcro. So all you're going to do is take that patch cord, send it down the hole with the Velcro, or you can put the Velcro on later. All you're going to do is send it down, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to attach whatever it is you're trying to bring up, like this into the cable, to that patch cord with the Velcro. Now I tie a little loop on the end so I don't accidentally lose that, and then I just go back under the desk. Okay, and then reach under my desk. I've got the other end. Take the Velcro off, take whatever target item I'm trying to send back up, wrap it up with the Velcro. Now this one's a little weird because it's got kind of that little fat tip on there which might catch on something. But once you Velcro this on here, okay, so once you Velcro that on there, now you can pull your other end back up. All right, so go back to the top of the desk. And voila, there it is. So don't make yourself look foolish by crawling under the desk and trying to push that piece of cable up to the keyhole from the bottom, which half the time is very frustrating. Just get yourself a patch cord and some Velcro and do it that way. Okay, hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.